This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East. Wanted to cut an edition of the weather video here as we roll through this Thursday. And of course, all eyes on the potential severe weather around here as we go through this afternoon and into the night for tonight. This is a radar image I snapped this morning. We have a line of showers and thunderstorms back into Mississippi. A few areas of scatter showers out ahead of that. And of course, we had a batch of rain move through our area very early in the day for today. Now that rain is gone as I am cutting this video, and while at the moment, again, I'm cutting this video about 11 in the morning, but off to our west, some clearing, even though we are still socked in with cloud cover here. A lot of sunshine right now over North Georgia and eastern Tennessee, and that is going to, looks like, rotate on into our area, and we will see some sunshine here through the early afternoon hours, it appears. And that's not necessarily good news, because that means the more sunshine we see, the more unstable the air mass will become. I wanted to show you this real quick. This is an image I snapped from the Columbus, Mississippi NEXRAD site. This is when there was damage occurring over northern Lee County. That's near Tupelo, Mississippi. There was some possible tornado damage there and over then in the next county over in Itawamba County. So already the severe weather event getting started back over the Tennessee Valley. Now, this is the day one wind outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Notice that most of the Piedmont of North Carolina in the 30% area for wind probability of severe weather. And also that's 30% of hail. If you look at the other products, I don't have them saved here, but 30% probability for hail. And we're also, at the latest check, in the 5% probability for tornado. In other words, it looks like all modes of severe weather are possible. Let me show you what the setup looks like. Now, this is valid at 2 this afternoon. This is the 500 millibar chart. In other words, about 18 to 20,000 feet off of the ground. Notice this dip or trough back here over parts of the Mississippi Valley and the Tennessee Valley. We are in a favorable position to get showers and thunderstorms with that trough moving in from the west. Now, these are the wind speeds at 850 millibars. That's about 5,000 feet off of the ground. And those shades of yellow you see, those are winds in the 35 to 45 knot range there. And that's beginning to kick up just a bit, and it gets even stronger here. That was 8 o'clock this evening. Now this is 2 o'clock early tomorrow morning. And notice those shades of red. That's getting up to 55 or 60 knots. And that's a pretty strong low-level jet kicking in, another parameter you need to have in place for severe weather. Now, this is CAPE, in other words, the amount of instability that is forecast to be in place at 8 o'clock this evening. And while it's not astronomical amounts of CAPE, it is enough, about 1,000 to 1,500 joules of CAPE, and that is enough for severe weather. So here's how things look. I think we see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing as we go through this afternoon. Any of the thunderstorms that do develop could be severe, and as the wind fields increase as we get toward evening, an increasing chance for some supercell thunderstorms. And again, I think all modes of severe weather are possible. We're talking about the possibility of some isolated tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail if indeed the instability materializes like it looks like it will this afternoon. There's the precipitation that's fallen through 8 p.m. Let's fast forward another 6 hours. There's the preset from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. And the heaviest rain back over the mountains and the foothills, but it looks like we'll probably still see a line of showers and storms sweep through overnight. So again, scattered showers and storms this afternoon, then a line of showers and storms moves through overnight. Any of those storms could be severe. This is one of those days that you need to have a reliable way of hearing weather watches and warnings if they are required. The best way is a NOAA weather radio. Make sure you have that functioning, the battery is ready to go, and on the alert mode turned on. And of course, when you hear there's a watch or warning issue, tune us in on News 14 Carolina. We'll be keeping you completely up to date as we go on through the afternoon, the evening, and the overnight hours if necessary. Also, quick note here, it still looks like it could be quite active in terms of severe weather possibilities Mother's Day. And we'll talk much more about that as we get past this first severe weather possibility. All right, so that's it. The showers and storms push out overnight, and that'll be it for this event, but a lot of active weather possibly to deal with between now and then. That's it for this edition of the video. Everyone have a great day, stay safe, and God bless.